If you're still running Siebel, you're not alone. Plenty of enterprises rely on it for mission-critical customer processes. The real issue isn't Siebel itself, it's Oracle's support costs and the growing pressure to migrate. That's where third-party support changes everything. You keep your existing Siebel licenses, cut your annual maintenance bill in half, and get support that actually covers the customizations your team has built over the years. Independent providers treat Siebel as a priority, not a legacy product on autopilot. And you avoid being pushed into an expensive cloud migration you don't want or need. Your Siebel environment stays stable, secure, and fully supported for as long as you decide to run it. Here's your tip. Before renewing with Oracle, pull your Siebel ticket history. Most organizations discover they're paying premium pricing for very limited usage, and that's where real savings begin. If your Siebel renewal is coming up, reach out. Share your NDA and your current support proposal. We'll review it and show you exactly how much you can save while keeping Siebel fully supported.